How to change font on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the font on Android, all you have to do is just go to the settings of your device. Now as you tap on settings of your device, scroll down and here you can see the option of display. So just tap on display and scroll down again and here you'll be able to see the option of font. Now as you tap on font, you'll be able to see different fonts available for your device. Now you can select any of this. Now for example, if I'm going to select on this one over here. So just tap on it and wait for a second over here. As you wait for a while, you can download this font for your device. So just tap on downloads and you just have to wait for a while until it gets downloaded for your device. After that, wait while it's downloading. Now after getting the font downloaded, all you have to do is tap on apply and it will start applying on your device. Now as you can see, the font has been changed and you can view it in the home screen itself as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.